How to subscribe Amazon Prime. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can subscribe Amazon Prime membership, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now with Amazon Prime you also get other benefits such as Prime Video and Prime Music and so many other benefits such as all those Prime benefits. So to figure this out, we're not going to use the Prime Video application, but instead we're going to open up our browser, and then once we open up our browser we simply want to go to primevideo.com. I'll also make sure to drop a link below. Once you go to primevideo.com, here you'll find an option called start your free trial. Tap on start your free trial button here, and it's just going to ask you to simply enter your login details, so make sure to enter your Amazon account details here. Once you enter the Amazon account details, you just want to tap the sign in button over here and then sign into your free Amazon account here. Just tap on the sign in option and then sign into your free Amazon account here. Once you sign into your free Amazon account, on the next specific page right over here you can just go ahead and tap on the continue on Amazon.com option or whatever else it prefers. Once you've done that, all you need to do is just tap the start your 30-day free trial and then sign into your Amazon account depending upon the region, and then make sure to also go ahead and again enter the Prime Video details over here, and then make sure to also enter the password, then just tap the sign in option. Once you've done that, it's going to ask you the phone number, but I'm not going to really add that now. I'm just going to tap the not now button here. Once you tap on the not now option here, it's just going to ask you to confirm your details, select your plan, right? So you can select your plan such as Prime plan. Once you select your Prime monthly or Prime Video monthly or Prime, so depending upon which plan you want, whether you want only Prime Video or whether you want all the Prime benefits that include Prime movies on tablets, PC or whatever else you prefer over here, just tap the continue button here, and then once you tap and continue, scroll down, make sure to also enter your card details properly, the email address and so on, then just tap and start your free trial button, and then your trial will be successfully created. This is how you can subscribe Amazon Prime. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.